Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft Excel. In this module, I want to talk about adding a trend line to a chart. So on the screen, I've got some data which I'm going to create a combo chart from. So first of all, I'm just going to highlight all of this. Before I do that, actually, I'll just show you how I've created this cumulative column. So if I delete this off, I'll do it again. So these are your sales each month, and what you want in the cumulative column is to give you a running total of your sales. So I'm going to do the sum function, and then what you do in there is you do a colon and click it again, but you lock the first part of it with the dollar signs like so. So when I tick that, it's just going to repeat what's there, but when I pull that down, it's going to add those two together. So 166, 166, and you can see when you look at the formula, C3 is still locked, but now it's gone to C4. And if I pull that down one more, it goes to C5. So basically, this grows and grows as you pull it down. That's how you create that sort of column. Now, to do the graph, I just want to highlight this data, insert, and the chart I want is the combo one. And then you've got these different options. So the one there, look, line on the secondary axis, that's the one I want. And then I can move this across. I like to have mine black. Chart title, if you go up to the formula bar, once you've clicked on that, you can just go equals and select a cell. That then becomes the chart title. So this is representing the data how I want it, but what I want is a trend line on the actual sales. Now to do that, you basically right click on the blue bars and click on add trend line, and then you get the default option, which is a linear trend line. You've got these other options that you can select if you so wish, but I want it on that one. And then you've got down the bottom here where it's forecast. You can move it forward or have it forecast forward as many periods as you want. So I want this to forecast 3 periods forward, and then you can see how that then sits forward like so. So this is on an upward trend. If you select some of these other ones, the actual line slightly shifts, and you can see how that would work. Moving average, some people like to see a moving average line, gives you a bit more of a clear representation of how the data is sitting, but I'm going to leave it on linear, and I'm going to leave it like so. So that's basically how you add a trend line and how you create a combination chart and how you have a cumulative total for that combination chart. So that's all I wanted to talk about on this little video. So hopefully that was useful for you, and I'll see you on the next one.